this our camp? I mean, our acquired carpet is here, so guess this must be our camp. Woo, it's about smashing time. I couldn't have said it better myself. Hey, wait for your king! And me, woohoo! We finally arrived at our camp. After traversing the mansion a bit, we finally found it. All we had to do was look for our carpet. We don't need no map. Very comfy. Wonder if this can support 6 people. I bet this can. I smashing agree with you. Man, that gets annoying. Why do you always say smash in every sentence? And who are you again? Oh, my name is Smash Mario. My name is Smash Mario. I was originally a contestant from Smashing Season 1, but I was first eliminated. The very first one. That smashing stinks. And just why, my friend, are you a monkey? I literally am a monkey. Because physics. Deal with it. Hey, that's your king you're talking to. You're only the king of penguins. I'm the king of Dreamland. This ain't Dreamland. Fair enough. So, King is a penguin, but also a king. Does that make him the king of penguins? Woohoo! Oh, I have a good feeling I'm gonna place better this time. Well, there are 18 contestants here, Smash Luigi. And you, Wetting Mario. You remind me of Smash Mario. Yeah, smashing me. Except that you don't say smash in every sentence. How dare you abuse me, my smashing brother! Stop! We're on a game, we're not supposed to beat each other up yet. Good smashing point. Smash Mario just bothers me a lot. I don't know why, but it's all because he says smash in every sentence. Why does he even do that? Who even does that? Well, sure, Smash Ultimate's coming out. I mean, we've all seen E3, right? So, maybe he's just way too hyped for the game. Aside from all that Smash Mario garbage, on our first day we all were just getting along, getting to know each other, and yeah, that's pretty much that. I think this is the place. All we had to do was find our carpet. That was anticlimactic. Yay! I got the chills. Oh no, you don't. Hey, I'm so fast. First day at our brand new camp. I have a feeling this day will go well. Sonic Hedgehog, did you have to do that? What? I'm fast. That's my job. I gotta go fast. They don't call me Sonic the Hedgehog for nothing. Can you see me okay? Okay, there we go. I'm practically the biggest contestant here. Yeah, it's a big deal. I have to watch out for small people because I'm so big and so fast. This is gonna go well for me. Hopefully I don't get eliminated first, because if that happens, I'm gonna get triggered so hard. Oh, am I having a shot again? Sorry. So there, what's your name? My name is Bulbasaur Jr. So you're the son of a Pokemon? No, I'm a Bowser Jr. clone. Oh. I am literally just a clone of the real Bowser Jr. Because, look, I'm DS couldn't use me in any video, so he just put me in this game because he actually wanted Bowser Jr., but he didn't want to give him up videos just yet, so I'm in it! Yay! Alright, everybody, and Francisca, I think maybe we should build a camp right here somewhere. Okay. Maybe we can... Well, there's a door right there, so whatever's inside, let me check. A whole bunch of blankets. Maybe we can use some of these blankets to like build like a tarp or something. And so right now we have Susie, I think that was her name, basically like telling everyone to just like grab a towel, like build a camp, or use this, that over there. Yeah, I literally had no idea what she was saying half the time. But hey, at least she was trying. Am I right? I'll freeze you. Okay. Let's build a camp or something. I'm the leader of the tribe, but sometimes I can make me either a big threat or a big role model type. But apparently I'm still mad at Francisca for replacing me in Star Allies! Finally made it to our camp. Oh yeah, our camp. Oh, my pants came off again. But let me just get back on. Come on, come on, pants. Okay, there we go. Now we made it to our camp, right? Yes. Now, what do we do? How can you fly? I'm a flying dry bones, deal with it. Get back on the ground. Well, guess nothing to do now but get to know each other, am I right? We've arrived at our camp. So, yeah, big time for us. Now what's your name? My name is Boo. Yours? Also. Hey, I've seen your Super Mario World cartoon. You were funny. Thanks. I look pretty now on my Knex racer, so yeah, it's whatever now. Am I right? Yeah. Does Yoshi not understand that we're all Knex racers? Your name? My name is Blue Toad. Fungus among us. I'm not speaking with a creepy accent because I'm actually scary. I'm just speaking with a creepy accent because I'm a dead Koopa. How's that? So, Dr. Kong.
Yes, that's me. DK. Donkey Kong.
And then there's Chunky Kong.
He's dead.
What?
DK. Chunky's dead. DK.
Now this song is over. Vote for Kong or else there will be no dong. Minus whatever happened there, thank you for picking me as tribe leader. It was nothing.
You're an old arcade veteran.
No, that was my father, Cranky Kong.
Oh, so your best friend Chunky Kong died, but your father, Cranky Kong, is not dead?
He's about to die in like 94 hours.
What?
Well, whatever. It's what Nintendo decides. Well, was I putting my snout I'm a monkey.
I'm an ape.
Oh, sorry. Hey,